I will be doing a quick tutorial on how to export expressions for VTube Studio, prprLive, and facerig. So first, you go into Live2D. I will be using Mimi as a reference because I have expressions for her and I have not exported them yet. So she has a few expressions, and she has happy, sad, flirty. I have seemingly removed, there we go. She has happy, sad, flirty, and angry. So what we're gonna need is this is only for facerig, but we will be renaming ID and name, and to make a expression parameter, we will be needing to make minimum the same as default. ID is mostly needed for facerig, but name can be whatever you want. So I will be quickly renaming these for facerig. You can see here what I use for maximum and minimum. Alright, I already have her exported, so we'll be going here. Oh, actually I will re-export her. She's a big file. There we go. There she is. There we go. What we need to open now is Live2D Cubism Viewer. From here, you pull in either the model JSON file or the MOC file. I think both of these work, but I just take this one. From here, you will be able to see, the viewer of the model. Up here, you go to add expression. I will be adding flirty. Just gonna rename it here so it's easier. Flirty. Press here. You find the expression name, flirty, and then you do that to 100%, or to the maximum on the parameter. Yeah, I haven't finished the expression, so it looks a bit weird. Then we have happy. We have sad. Oops, I forgot. There. And then we have mad, or angry. After we got these, we will just save, and then these will be added. These are exp3 files, so like expression files. If we were to do this for facerig, these will work in prprLive and VTube Studios, but if we needed to do this for facerig, we would need a CFG file, which is when you create a text file, a text document, and then you type in here, I will be putting this in the description, but set special post param, then we would, instead of showcase, we would be writing Mimi. And here is where the naming of the parameters come in, the ID. So here you would, in these quotation marks, you would put the happy. Here is the minimum. So this, the minimum. And here's the maximum, so the one here. Now in facerig, you have different keybinds. And these are set by 1, 2, and 3, and then I think it goes ZXCV or something. And so the last one here is 1, 2, 3. That's just to set them to a set keybind. And yeah, it's Nana's model as a CFG file, so it says Nana here, but if it idle animation, yeah, you just add the idle animation and then the set cam pose. Then from here, you go, oh, now it's in Swedish, but it's this one, save as. I have it in wherever you need to put it. To take all files, then you write after here cc underscore I have it as showcase, but rename it to whatever your file is called, and then cfg, and it should save as a expression file, yeah, or a cfg file. There we go. I don't have facerig installed, but it should work as soon as you put it in the files. What's it called? Files, I guess. I don't know how. I don't have prpr, but I think from getting the XP files, you should be good. But I will quickly explain how to add it in VTube Studio. Mimi. From here, we go to here. No. We go to here. We add another one. We set hotkey action to set unset expressions. And then we just pick, do this whole shablam. And then we got an expression working. Alright. That's it for me. I hope this explained, but if there's any questions, I'll ask those in the comments. Thank you so much. Goodbye.